How to unmatch someone on Bumble. Need to remove a match on Bumble. Let's unmatch them safely and easily. Open the Bumble app and go to the chat screen by tapping the bubble icon at the bottom. Find the match you want to unmatch and tap on their conversation. Tap three dot menu in the top right corner of the chat. Select unmatch and report. If you just want to remove the match without reporting, you can choose unmatch only. Confirm your choice and that person will no longer appear in your match or chat list. Unmatching is private. Bumble does not notify the other person. And that's it. You have successfully unmatched someone on Bumble, keeping your conversation clean and stress free. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out more Bumble tips. Catch you in the next one.